English is considered by many a complex language with a rather confusing phonetic system. It has 26 alphabet and hence one letter stands for different sounds. Nobody is able to explain till date why PUT is put and BUT is but. Well, mastery over any foreign language can be acquired with continuous practice, a little bit of determination and right kind of mentorship. For the last one, we are here to share with you some common daily use English words that people often mispronounce. These words are so common that you don't even notice that you are pronouncing them wrong all the time. So let's begin. Whether it's a noun or verb, it can't be pronounced as wear, rhyming with ear. Its correct pronunciation is wear, rhyming with air. As a verb, we can say, "What are you going to wear today?" As a noun, we can say, "She has bought it for everyday wear." The second one is tear. Again, both as a noun or verb, it will be pronounced as tear with a weak R sound in the end. For verb, we can say, "The boss asked me to tear my resignation." As a noun, we can say, "There is a tear in your pants." Tear का मतलब होता है फाड़ना. So in this context, the pronunciation would be tear. However, talking about another meaning of this word, that is saline liquid from the eyes. Aansu. The pronunciation is tear, rhyming with ear. Her eyes were full of tears. So फाड़ना, tear, aansu, tears. I hope that's clear now. Third one is pear. It's a fruit pronounced as pear, same as pair, P-A-I-R, which means a set of two similar things. An example using both these words together can be, "Today I bought a pair of Pear soap from the supermarket at the price of just one." Fourth one is bear. Again, both as a noun or verb, it will be pronounced as bear with a weak R sound in the end, bear. As a verb, this word has multiple meanings. You must check it after this video in your mobile dictionary. As a noun, it refers to a large carnivore mammal. An example using both these words together can be, "The hunter bears a scar on his forehead as a result of his confrontation with the bear in the forest last year." One common usage of this word as a verb is, "Thanks for bearing with me." We use this sentence frequently in our day-to-day life when we want to thank someone for taking trouble for us. The last one on the list is gear. This is a very common word related to automobiles. Gear refers to wheel work mechanism of your car or scooter. Many people I have heard pronouncing it wrong as gear, but the correct pronunciation is gear. I hope this session has helped you to improve some common pronunciation mistakes. Please like the video and share it with your near and dear ones. I'll be with you in the next session. Thank you so much.